Look at this.
What you doing, Jaden?
I am doing something.
Right then, Jaden.
I'm making my...
As you see here, the man, the myth, the legend, the Naja the Naja the Cabbage. Dude, you gotta change your name, bro.
Why do I need to change my name?
I
Ow.
don't know why, but just...
Why? That's a good question. Because pugs, dude.
Because, okay. I see you're rocking there the ASM-1 from Call of Duty.
Yeah, look at how noobish I am. I just got like shot in the air. I just sat up in the air. That's what trip. Great job. Great job, Call of Duty.
Yes, great job,
franchise.
Okay then.
You're really stepping it
You
up.
may know me as Jared, or the
Ow.
Mexican, but
That's
my YouTube name is Roguethorn12, the Magnificent. But it doesn't say that, but it just says Roguethorn12. It's just that, okay? It's just that, okay? And I'm making a new YouTube video, and shout out to Sub0293 space 5, who you may know as Jake, as in our school. And shout out to Saint Susanna, Plainfield School, Catholic school, best school in the universe, Catholic school with a church and everything, a church. And shout out to the 7th grade. Shout out to preschool. Shout out to the preschool, pre-K, kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, and then shout out to the principal, Mrs. Tillery, and shout out to our father, Father Glenn, and everything.
Why are you making so many shout-outs? Calm down.
Shout-outs, okay? And also, okay, shout out to Will, another friend of mine, Max, Jake also, and a bunch of people. Yeah,
why
a bunch of people.
Why so many shoutouts?
Because a bunch of shoutouts, okay? It's
not how YouTube works. You don't make.
Dude, it's Valentine's Day, okay? Love and support for everybody, okay? Love, support for everybody.
So what is this? Is this a channel where we express our feelings now?
Yes.
Instead of Call of Duty.
Okay. My channel is gonna be a bunch of things about like Xbox and everything and randomness with my good buddy Naja the Cabbage. The Cabbage, say hello.
Hi.
Hi, okay then. Alright then. You better subscribe to my channel, okay?
Look at that sexy camera.
Alright then. Alright then. Okay. If you people, if I get like 10 subscribers, okay, 10 subscribers to my channel, I will make a second video, okay? Has to be 10 subscribers, okay? 10 subscribers. Alright then?
Subscribers don't matter. Oh crap, I missed
Okay, they do matter. They are people. They are our people, so love and support for Saint Susanna and everything. And my sweetheart is Bacon, okay?